The Russia-Ukraine conflict continues on Saturday as relevant parties are working to broker a peaceful solution. The Russian military said Friday that the main tasks of the first stage of Russia's special military operation in Ukraine have been completed in general. Sergei Rudskoy, first deputy chief of the General Staff of the Russian Armed Forces, said that the combat potential of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been significantly reduced. Deputy Chairman of the Russian Security Council Dmitry Medvedev said Friday that Russia's special military operation in Ukraine will continue until all tasks set by President Vladimir Putin are fulfilled. The press service of the Ukrainian Foreign Ministry reported Friday that the Ukrainian Foreign Minister Dmytro Kuleba said his country's negotiation process with Russia is very difficult. He stressed that the Ukrainian side insists on a ceasefire, security guarantees, and territorial integrity of Ukraine at the talks. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan and his Ukrainian counterpart Volodymyr Zelensky on Friday held a phone conversation to discuss the situation in Ukraine. According to a statement issued by the Turkish presidency, the two leaders discussed the situation on the ground and the stage of negotiations between Russia and Ukraine. Russia's central bank said on Friday that Russia has imposed restrictions on the movement of funds that could be transferred to unfriendly countries and regions. The central bank said on Telegram that the measure was taken in response to the freezing of part of Russia's gold and foreign currency reserves in some countries. A comparable amount of funds are affected, it said, without specifying the exact sum.